last chance. What happened? I can see again. No, that isn't right.
That's a little bit dramatic, but that's what I see in the EMI course, and that's why I left this course. So today I want to talk about my experience taking an EMI course where we actually learned neuroscience through movies. Yeah, not textbooks, not lectures full of slides, it's movies. And honestly, it worked way better than I expected. So first, EMI. I used to think learning in English meant extra pressure, but this course kind of changed that. Even though we didn't do group discussions, our main assignment was writing English reflection reports, and that part actually helped me a lot. Because when you are trying to explain a movie scene, a moral dilemma, or a neurological condition in English, you stop overthinking grammar and start focusing on expressing meaning. Before this course, I always translated in my head, but now I caught myself starting to think in English, especially when talking about brain function, emotions, and ethical issues. My English didn't suddenly become perfect, but my confidence definitely went up. The coolest part of this course was that movies made the science feel human. For example, in Lorenzo's oil, there's a conflict between the parents and the doctors. The parents want to try everything to save their son, while the doctors want evidence and safety. Seeing that on screen helped me understand something that's actually huge in medical. Patients aren't just cases, and families don't think in statistics. So looking back, I think the biggest thing I learned wasn't just brain science, it was perspective. I realized that medicine isn't only about knowing the right treatment, it's about understanding people, emotions, and tough decisions. So yeah, this EMI course surprised me. I learned neuroscience but also empathy. I improved my English but also my ability to think and communicate like a future doctor. And all of this happened because we learned through stories. Stories that were powerful, emotional, and unforgettable. Thank you for listening.